Stop! Don't buy a pressure washer hose before watching this. This PWACCS hose fits common pressure washers on the market, like M22 14mm fittings one. Got it, it's non-marking. That means no more ugly scratches, period. It's 50% lighter. My arms are screaming, thank you. It won't blow out after like 2 uses. Trust me, I've been there. Adapters for every M22 14mm thread. No more oops, connect them through the threads over and over again. I used to be a cleaning disaster. Now, my patio is sparkling and my car is shining. Remember those hoses that kinked every 5 seconds? Never